Hey guys, Ben here from the Fibreglass factory. Here we are, we've got to fix up this Mack bonnet. So they've given us some of the pieces here. This goes in here, like so, which we have to glass back in. We've got this piece here, we've got to glass back in. We're missing some bits over here. We've just got to fabricate the rest of it and get it back to the customer in record time. All right, so it's just about ready for paint. As you can see, we've got this section in here. We've glassed in the back of here. Got the steel plates back inside here, ready to mount our front bar in. Customer's gonna be really happy because he wanted a quick turnaround on this and we managed to be able to get it done quickly for him. Well, here it is, we've got it finished. It's going back to the customer. Doesn't it look $1,000,000? We just slapped a little bit of white on there just to tidy it up for them so that they can get it back on the road and he can get it all finished up later. Whether they'll do that or not, because it looks pretty good, we'll see how we go. If you've got any repairs that you need done, then feel free to reach out to us. We'll see what we can do.